In today's video, we're going to have an old school trading session with a very small £40 trading account. So let's jump straight into it. Today's video is sponsored by Go Markets. Go Markets is a multi-award-winning broker who is regulated by the Cyprus Security and Exchange Commission. I have personally been using Go Markets for over 5 years now, and one of the reasons I chose them was because their customer service is second to none. Low spreads, fast withdrawals and thousands of tradable products makes Go Markets the favourable choice for the BD members. Go Markets is the official online trading sponsor of Chelsea Football Club. If you are looking to trade with a worldwide trusted and regulated broker, then sign up using our link below and start trading today with low spreads. Thank you and enjoy today's video. So before we jump on the charts, a lot of you have asked me about my FTMO challenge account and how it's getting on. Basically, I failed the FTMO challenge account. But wait, hang on. I didn't fail because of my trading ability. I failed because of technology. So let me explain. A couple of weeks ago, I thought I would do the 2-week free FTMO challenge account before moving on to, I think it's the paid 2-month one. I think it's the paid 2-month one, and then I think you have to do another challenge before you get funded. Anyway, I was doing the 2-week trial and I realized that I can't do it on the CTrader platform. So if you know, I trade with the thebinarydestroyer on MT4 and I place my trades on the CTrader platform. I think it's a lot easier and simpler compared to the MT4 platform. However, you can't do that with the trial. I had to place my trades on the MT4 platform and yeah, it was rubbish. So what I ended up doing was downloading this trade pad EA. So basically you put this on your charts, and on the charts itself, it looks like this. You can place your trades. You know, you can set stop losses and take profits, pending orders. You can risk a percentage of your account or a fixed stop loss. And it's just a lot easier and simpler to trade on the actual MT4 platform itself. However, when I was placing some trades with this, even though I was setting a stop loss and take profit, it wasn't actually setting stop losses and take profits on certain trades. And a lot of BD members were saying they had the same problem as well. I don't know if it was just mine or whatever, but what happened basically, right? These are the statistics of the account. As you can see here, it's completely open, right? And I'll show you what happened. So on the 24th of January, when I started it, I made money. 25th, I made money. 26th, I made money. 30th, I made money. On the 31st of January though, what happened was I took a trade. Can't remember what it was on, or the stop loss or take profit. I took a trade. I set a stop loss and take profit. However, for some unknown reason, it didn't actually set a stop loss and take profit. So what happened was the trade went to £1,100 in drawdown and then suddenly reversed and went to like 2.5 grand in profit. And I didn't realize until the next day. Look, if you look on the next day, the 1st of February, I was doing some trading and I'm like, hang on here, I still have an open trade. And I had to close the trade off manually, look at FTMO, and I realized, yeah, it didn't actually set a stop loss and take profit. But these are the statistics. So I did 6 days worth of trading, past that. I passed the max loss, past that profit. Obviously, look at the profit. The profit was massive. Look, it just literally went straight up. Look at this, boom, rocketed up. But that was simply because of technology, and that's why I don't like technology in trading. I like to keep it simple and basic. But yeah, average profit £75, average loss £30, so a nice little 1 to 2 basically. Profit factor, yeah, it's just unlucky that one trade that didn't have a stop loss and take profit. Even though the trade won, it tipped me over. I failed it. Now I actually am planning to do the challenge account again. I won't be doing it until the end of May. The reason being is because I'm traveling a lot at the minute. Obviously that's the bonus of being a full-time trader. I've just come back from a skiing holiday, which was kind of pointless because I broke my back, so I can't actually ski, but I kind of booked the holiday before I broke my back, so I had to kind of commit to it. In a week's time, I'm taking my girlfriend to Spain because it's her birthday, and then when we get back, we are flying out to India. We're going traveling around India, and I'm not going to be back till probably May time, so that's when I'll probably commit to trading again. The time that I'm spending on the charts at the minute, I'm teaching you lot, I'm making YouTube videos, and I'm generally just trading with the BD members, but I can't commit to trading every single day at the minute to do an FTMO challenge account. But yeah, I plan to do it again in the future, but that is an update on the account. You know, like I said, I lost it. It wasn't my fault, but you know, it is what it is. I'm just being transparent. But yeah, let's jump on to the charts now. Right, let's have a trading session now. So let me just quickly go over to the Telegram group and read some of these messages. USD CAD already did in and out. So this BD member's in and out, 1% made, beautiful trade. On the charts, let's trade USD CAD. Hold on, I just need to move the mirror, the light. Can you check Euro? Hold on, let me just reply to some people. Okay, I do not trade those pairs. I stick to the majors. Right, okay, so let me just have a look, see what some trades. I like to get into the zone first. So nice here. No idea what happened. Nice gain here. Thumbs up. Let me try and find you some more. This was my trading session this morning. 6 pips on AU, 10 pip. Actually got Mogwai signal now. Right, okay, so let's have a trading session. Let's have a trading session. Ooh. A lot of people don't like me clenching knuckles. Right, okay. So, USD CAD. Okay, I've got Mogwai signal on USD CAD. Please don't tell me that I've just missed this setup. Let's have a look at support area here. Let's mark up the 15-minute charts. Ooh. No, I'm not going to take that one. I'm not going to take that one. A lot of BD members might take that, thinking their support. Okay, Aussie US dollar, I've got no setup there. I've got a couple of buys, couple of sells, but nothing at the minute here. GPUSD had a sell at the top here. Let's have a look if there's a resistance area here. Let's have a look here. So let's go to the 15-minute charts. I can't see anything on the 15-minute chart. So let's go to the 1 hour. Let's see if there's anything there. Well, that explains why that one is dropping. So obviously resistance area here on the 1 hour, and price has come back up to it. It's done that nice little break and retouch. I say break and retouch. It's doing that uptrend, pull back, come to resistance. So if we were to take this sell here, this would be against the trend. Would go for a 1-to-1. But obviously I completely missed that, so you know it looks like it's gonna be one of those trading sessions again where I missed all the setups. So USD Chef, I missed that sell at the top here. Did I get a buy at the bottom? I got a buy at the bottom. So let's look at this sell here. Was this one with the trend? Let's have a look at the 15-minute charts. Yes, I probably would have took that sell here. Let's have a look at the 1 hour. Yeah. That one is unlucky. That one was a beautiful sell. That one just there. Nice bit of resistance, target at the bottom of the zone, stop loss above the arrow. I mean, even if you entered on the arrow, which I've been doing a lot recently, 9 pip stop loss. The trade went to around 9 pips, so nice little 1-to-1 there. USD CAD, I've just explained that one. Euro USD, nothing there. Let's have a quick look on gold. Where's gold? Gold. So let's have a look at gold. 1 minute time frame. Again, nothing at the minute. So I'm just going to let the BD members, nothing at the minute. Will update you soon. So yeah, nothing at the minute. What I'm going to do, I'm going to pause the video. I'll come back when we get a setup. You know, as you can see here, a couple of BD members. Why is my mouse suddenly broken? Yeah, a couple of BD members in and out. You can see here, he took USD CAD. So he actually took that buy. He took that buy on USD CAD. Nice trade. So he took that buy on USD CAD, which was... Well, let me have a look at which one he took. USD CAD, 1 minute time frame. So USD CAD, that was... I think he's running. I think this BD member's got different Mogwai. His Mogwai arrows are different. Let me just let him know. I'm going to let him know that. I said, hold on, give me a sec here. Oh, I think your Mog settings might be wrong. Yeah, I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to come straight back. Okay, so I've just took a buy on gold. It's been about 20 minutes. Been having a conversation with the BD members about EAs. This is what I love about the BD community, and this is the reason why I set it up. It's always active. You can always talk to people, have trading sessions, talk about trading in general. So this BD members built an EA, and I was just simulating it right now on the charts, and it's been performing quite well. It needs a bit of fine tuning, but we're getting there. Let me just took a buy on gold. So yeah, gold's flying up. I actually let me rephrase that. While the video was paused, I actually had a buy on GPUSD. Yeah, was it GPUSD? Where was that trade? Oh, USD Chef. Okay, and I was going to take it, but I didn't quite like it. If you just mark up this support line here, if I just mark up this area here and go to the 1 hour charts, there's literally nothing here. Literally. In fact, if you look at the 1 hour charts, it's a downtrend, isn't it? So I was like, I don't really want to take that trade. If you look at gold though, okay, gold, again, another setup that's against the trend, but it's come down to the 1 hour support level. You see, we've got a Mogwai signal. MACD's just gone slightly oversold, not the best. But what I like about this is if you just mark up here, mark up this area here, it's come down to a support line, even though the direction of this is down. So you obviously got downtrend, pullback, downtrend, pullback, downtrend, pullback, downtrend. We've come down to a support level. And to keep trading simple, we want to find out where buyers and sellers are. We know this is a downtrend. We know there's a lot of sellers in the market. However, where are sellers going to take profit and where are buyers going to look to buy the market? Around levels, and we got a 1 hour support level here. So we are expecting a slight pullback in the market. I'm not expecting price to go up like this here. It would be nice, but I don't see that happening, okay, because there's still sellers in the market. However, we are going to get a reaction from this level here. Okay, so let me see what some of the BD members are saying. Not a lot really. Just quite quiet today. So where was that trade? Here we go here. So I'm going to set a take profit on this of 200 pips, should we say? 200 pips. There you go there. Nice little in and out done. By the way, if you're wondering what this trading account is, I'm having a challenge, another challenge, apart from the FTMO challenge account. I'm having another challenge with a BD member. So a BD member said, I want to take a $10 account to $1,000. And I thought, well, I'll take on that challenge. I don't mind doing that. So basically, this is a $10 trading account. So you can see here, $10 or £10. It is now sitting at £45. So I've made what, 400% gain? Over 400% gain. Not something to be proud. I'm not really that bothered because it's only £10, but you know, if I can take this to £1,000, that would be great. You can see I like to do a lot of challenges with the members. I just think it's fun. I think, you know, rather than just trading one large trading account, right, and just going, hey, look at me, I've made thousands of pounds. Great, that's good for you. I don't have £1,000 to start my trading with. You know, I want to see you do little challenges. You know, can you take £10 to £1,000? Can you do the FTMO? Can you do this? Can you do that? And I want to show people, right? So as you can see here, started off with £10. It is now sitting at £44. These are literally all the trades that I've took. Okay, so you know, I don't know how many trades that is, but I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 losses, okay? If you look at the trading session today, so this is today's trading session with the BD members, which I literally did at like 5 in the morning. Literally 5 in the morning. Yeah, 100%. Obviously, I've got a nice little buy on gold. Stop loss is going to be below the level. But this is what I say all the time. What I've noticed with the BD members, and I've noticed with everybody in general, is that a lot of people join the BD, right? Or, you know, they talk to me and they have this philosophy where it's all about tight stop losses, big risk reward ratios. That is fine if you have 10 years worth of experience and you can get the perfect entry every single time. However, this is trading. Every single day is different, okay? You go onto the charts every single day with different emotions. Every trade's different, right? You're not going to get the perfect entry point every single time. Not every trade's going to go and hit your take profit every single time, right? It's about managing the trades. Put your stop loss out of the way. My stop loss on this one, right, is going to be below the 1 hour support, right? Just get it out of the way. Stop loss somewhere down here, right? Get it out of the way. It's protected. It means that even if my entry point is not perfect, I'm allowing breathing space. If you just have tight stop losses, all that's going to happen, right, is you're going to get stopped out. You're going to be frustrated. You're going to end up changing strategies. You're going to doubt your own trading ability, and you're going to put yourself in this kind of circle of just you're just going to hate yourself. You're going to hate trading. You're going to hate the fact that you're not going anywhere. And it's because you're kind of having this idea that you're going to get 100% all the time, you know, that you're going to have perfect entry points. No, get it out the way, right? And that's why I've managed to build up. In reality, right, look, price is pulling back, but I'm not really that bothered anyway, because like I said, I know there is a 1 hour support level. I know at this level here, there's a 1 hour support, right? So price is going to have to break that 1 hour support level, right? Is that likely to happen? It could happen, yes, because it's a downtrend. However, I know buyers are going to want to buy at this level, okay? So, you know, going for a nice little 1-to-1 or 1-to-2 here is not going to hurt, right? You know, don't need to do anything else. I don't need to panic. I'm just going to allow the trade to do its thing. And that is how, you know, going back to here, how I've managed to take this account from $10 to $44, right? Managing trades, good risk reward ratio, keeping trading simple, right? It's not all about getting stopped out, and then going for that one killer trade that's going to give me a 50% gain return, right? No. Right, maybe if you're successful, yeah, you can perhaps use that kind of approach, but I personally wouldn't if you're a beginner. You know, you want to build up the confidence. And how do you build up confidence? By winning trades and putting yourself in that position and knowing what to do on certain trades, you know, seeing what trades do at certain levels. You know, it's not just about getting stopped out, re-entering, stopped out, re-entering. Get your stop loss out the way, see what the trade does. It will probably pull, look, if you go back to this trade here, right, price is probably going to pull back to this support level and then bounce up again. Right, well, that's fine. If the trade wants to do that, that's fine. My take profit has been set. My stop loss hasn't been set, but it's below the level. Yeah, I'll update you very, very shortly on this trade. Right, no joke. I've literally been sitting here for about an hour and a half. I've managed to go downstairs and actually have some lunch. But this is a very, very good example of having a stop loss that is not in the way. Okay, I've been talking a lot about stop losses recently, but it's a very good subject to talk about because you only lose a trade when you get stopped out, right? And you're only profitable as a trader if you have good money management, right? The first thing you do is you set your stop loss, right? You set your stop loss, you set your take profit. If you've got a good risk reward ratio, that builds consistency, okay? If you don't use your stop loss, you blow an account. If you use your stop loss too tight, you get stopped out. So stop losses, very important subject. But anyway, right, this is a very good example of having a wide stop loss. So I took the trade many, many hours ago here. Okay, as we know, this is the 1 hour support. And as you can see, look what price has done. Come down, bounced off it, come down, bounced off it, come down. Now I know this is the 1 hour support, right? So, you know, it's going to get held. What eventually happened was price came down, okay? Now, this is where perhaps institutions or smart money concept traders are going to say that this is a liquidity sweep or manipulation, whatever you want to call it, okay? What would happen here if you put a tight stop loss below this support? So let's say you bought at this arrow here, this Mogwai arrow. I'll get rid of the support line so you can actually see now, right? If you put a tight stop loss here, right, even if you didn't get stopped out when price came to retouch this level, you got stopped out here, okay? Bang, price drops out, takes liquidity if that's what you want to say, and then price rockets up, okay? This is why we use wide stop losses. This is a very good example of, first of all, patience, discipline and the correct trade management. You know, I literally have been sitting here bored for the past 2 hours. In fact, the BD members, if you look at some of the BD members, look, one of the BD members was like USD CAD anyone, right? Nice little sell signal. And then look, 1% made. All I've done is sit here, do nothing for literally an hour. The amount of hours I spend delivering content to you, all this, you know, honestly, right? And then look at this one here. First trade with Mogwai strategy on demo. Just feeling like Emma. Right, Emma, it's funny. Emma's just posted here, right? My first trade with a Mogwai strategy. Emma actually joined us, I think, 2 weeks ago before I went on holiday, and she was asking me all these questions about the BD, and I said, yeah, I'm going on holiday next week. You know, join me before then, I'll get you all set up. Her first trade with the Mogwai strategy. She's been going through the lessons, which is good, what I like to see. But anyway, every other BD member's making money, and there's me. Right, there's a good example. See what I mean? Price goes off and hit take profit. So I'm going to close this trade off. Done. Done. There you go. Done. Finished. Now I actually took, I just want to show you, I actually took 3 trades on gold. Look, buy, buy, buy. Okay? Let me explain to you the reason why I took these 3 buys. I should have actually done this in a video, but I was so bored. I was like, come on, do something, please. Anyway, right, so let me go back to here. So the reason why I took those 3 trades is, first of all, I took that first trade here, right? And then I closed it off early, somewhere around here, when price literally did nothing. I got bored. Then it came down and I closed it off. I thought, okay, we've broken the support line. I'm going to close it off in a loss. Then I realized, hang on here, this isn't going to break the support line. This is a liquidity sweep, or whatever you want to call it, okay? And I re-entered. There's a very good example of that. And that's a very good example of why you put your stop losses out the way. Look at this here, right? Look at this here, look. It literally, this is a test of patience right here. You know, the worst thing for a trader is you take a trade, it does nothing, right? Literally nothing. Then it reverses against you, stops you out if you've got a tight stop loss. And then look at it. Voila! Just go straight up. You know, that is why you put stop losses out of the way. Just get it out of the way, right? Be confident in your trading decisions. Look at that there. There's a very good example. I mean, price is still going to fly up probably. But yes, that is a nice buy on gold. That's a very good example of patience, discipline, and putting your stop loss in the right place. So I hope you enjoyed that video. My name is Jamie Palmer. If you have any questions, drop me an email, thebinarydestroyer@gmail.com.